Today's top 10 AI stories. Breaking from Asia, Geek Plus reports $440 million revenue in 2025, achieves full-year profitability. Geek Plus, 2590.HK, the global leader in autonomous mobile robots, reported 2025 revenue of 3.17 billion renminbi, $437 million, up 31.6% YoY, with adjusted net profit of 43.8 million renminbi, $6 million. This is a significant development from Geek Reports, with more details expected in the coming days. In global AI news, South Korean AI Chipmaker raises $400 million for inference. The evolving AI inference market presents opportunities for new players, such as Rebellions, to offer silicon diversity. This is a significant development from South Korean AI Chipma, with more details expected in the coming days. Breaking from India, Gnani.ai raises $10 million to build sovereign AI voice agents. Generative AI, Gen.ai, startup Gnani.ai has raised $10 million, around 94 crore rupees, in its Series B funding round led by. This is a significant development from Gnani.ai raises, with more details expected in the coming days. Breaking from India, SheSparks 2026, how women leaders are enabling the workforce to build AI skills in GCCs. Leaders from Kevindrvile and BT Group discuss how women are shaping AI-powered GCCs, seizing opportunities, and building strong sponsorships. As global capability centers, GCCs evolve into strategic hubs for enterprise artificial intelligence, AI, conversations around the role of women in an India. This is a significant development from SheSparks, with more details expected in the coming days. Breaking from Asia, Alibaba International launches Accio Work AI agent, says it can build online stores in 30 minutes. Alibaba International today launched its enterprise-grade AI agent, Accio Work, in overseas markets, claiming it can autonomously handle the entire e-commerce workflow, from store setup and operations to marketing and cross-border sourcing. Accio Work integrates specialized AI agents, including e-commerce experts, online store operators, and dropshipping assistants, and offers customizable skill packages across supply chain, marketing. In global AI news, Frontier Radar Number 2, why AI productivity gets lost between benchmarks and the balance sheet. Generative AI leads to measurable time savings on many tasks. But a gap remains between faster task completion and measurable economic impact. Verification overhead, limited metrics, and organizational inertia often prevent benchmark gains from translating into broader productivity gains. The article Frontier Radar Number 2, Why AI Productivity Gets Lost Between Benchmarks and the Balance Sheet appeared first on the Decoder. Breaking from India, Bajaj Finserv to invest 400 rupees to 450 rupees CR in AI startups, launch dedicated fund. Bajaj Finserv, the diversified financial services company of the Bajaj Group, is looking to aggressively expand its footprint in the. This is a significant development from Bajaj Finserv twins, with more details expected in the coming days. Breaking from the United States, Listen Labs raises $69 million after viral billboard hiring stunt to scale AI customer interviews. Alfred Wolfors was running out of options. His startup, Listen Labs, needed to hire over 100 engineers, but competing against Mark Zuckerberg's $100 million offers seemed impossible. So he spent $5,000, a fifth of his marketing budget, on a billboard in San Francisco displaying what looked like gibberish, 5 strings of random numbers. The numbers were actually AI tokens. Decoded, they led to a coding challenge: build an algorithm to act as a digital bouncer at Berghain, the Berlin nightclub famous for rejecting nearly everyone at the door. Within days, thousands attempted the puzzle. Breaking from the United States, Claude Code costs up to $200 a month. Goose does the same thing for free. The artificial intelligence coding revolution comes with a catch: it's expensive. Claude Code, Anthropic's terminal-based AI agent that can write, debug, and deploy code autonomously, has captured the imagination of software developers worldwide. But its pricing, ranging from $20 to $200 per month depending on usage, has sparked a growing rebellion among the very programmers it aims to serve. Now, a free alternative is gaining traction. Goose, an open-source AI agent developed by Block, the financial technology company formerly known as Square, offers nearly identical functionality to Claude Code but runs entirely on a user's local machine. No subscription fees. Breaking from the United States, Railway secures $100 million to challenge AWS with AI-native cloud infrastructure. Railway, A San Francisco-based cloud platform that has quietly amassed 2 million developers without spending a dollar on marketing, announced Thursday that it raised $100 million in a Series B funding round, as surging demand for artificial intelligence applications exposes the limitations of legacy cloud infrastructure. TQ Ventures led the round, with participation from FPV Ventures, Redpoint, and Unusual Ventures. The investment values Railway as one of the most significant infrastructure startups to emerge during the AI boom, capitalizing on developer frustration with the complexity and cost of traditional platforms like Amazon Web Services and Google Cloud. As AI models get better at. That's your AI Chronicle update for today. Hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell for daily AI news. See you tomorrow.